How to play calendar alert sounds even when the phone is set to silent on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up your calendar app. Next, we go back to the calendar monthly view right here. Then tap on the menu button. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, you scroll down and tap on alert type. In here, make sure you select strong. This is the only option that will allow you to change ignore sound settings. Okay, so select strong, then we go into long sound and then tap on ignore sound settings. Tap on this toggle button to turn it on so that it will play calendar alert sounds even when the phone is set to silent. And it is quite important features, I think, because sometimes we want to set the phone to silent, but we do not want to miss any event coming from calendars, especially if there are important events such as doctor's appointment or a hospital appointment or meetings, team's appointment. You don't want to miss them, so make sure it is turned on. And that's it. Now tap on the back key to go back to your calendar. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.